What's going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Hope everybody out there is doing well. You know the routine. As for myself, I am doing good. Well, maybe not. Maybe not, man. I think I am done trading options. Yep, you heard it. I think I'm done. This is the second day in a row that I missed the opportunity on some good trades because the spread on option contracts was just ridiculous and I could not pull the trigger. So I think I'll go back to trading equities. I'll probably still take some option trades though. So I won't be totally done with options, but I think I will start back trading in my main account here in the near future. I'm thinking, just because yesterday I missed some good opportunities and today I mixed some good opportunities. So let's go ahead. Let's look and see what we did today. Reviewing trades for Wednesday, March 1st. Wow, we are in March already. Took 3 trades today. Closed P&L, $86. Took 2 trades on the SPY. First trade was a red trade. Went right back at it again. Took another trade. That one was a green trade. Got us green on the morning. And at that point, I kind of said I was done. I said, I think I want to be done and just start the month off green. Even though it was going to be a small green day. And then Microsoft. Looked at Microsoft, found a pattern that I liked, and I took that trade, and we made 69 bucks on it, 2 contracts. So let's go ahead. Let's pull up Thinkorswim. We'll take a look at the SPY, and then we'll review those 2 trades. And I think, yeah, let's do the SPY first, and then I'm going to show you one of those trades that I missed today, man. It just, that thing is just irking me. But let's look at the SPY. SPY this morning made a nice move up. Look at this thing, 398, 6:30 in the morning. I had looked at the EQ, or I'm sorry, the ES this morning, and I saw that it was up. And I'm like, oh, we gonna have a good day today. And then look at what this thing did. It just flushed out before the market opened, chopped around, testing what? This hourly down channel. I told you, the sellers want to get in this hourly down channel so bad. But then if you look right here, you see this line. This is an hourly up channel. So we're in a downtrend, and actually I say that's the hourly down channel. This is the weekly up channel. So we're in a very crazy situation with the SPY right now. You got a lot of areas converging. So it tested it a couple of times, couldn't get back in it, made a move as the market was closing. And then look at what it did after hours. It broke the hourly down channel, and this yellow line is the weekly down channel. If this thing gets back in this weekly down channel, we could see a nice move to the downside on the SPY. So that is what the SPY did today. So let's go ahead. Let us pull up these contracts that we traded. This first one was a put, I believe. Yes, it was. Let's go ahead, blow that up a little bit. And let's see where we were getting in. Change that to that. We were getting in on this contract. This was a donation. Soon as I look at this, For one, this big old move to the downside. Big old move. But look at where it's coming to. It's coming to this hourly down channel. That's been acting as some wicked support because the bulls don't want to get it down there. Let's look and see where we stopped out at. Stopped out in this candle as it was coming back up. I said I was going to resave this and I didn't do it yesterday. So bear with me 1 second. Just so I can have this looking like it looks when I'm regularly trading. All right, sorry about that, but that's what I like to see. Just the 20 and then the 50 if it's in play. But yeah, this was a bad trade. Big move down. We're chasing. We're coming into support right here. And it did exactly what it was supposed to do. Came back up. We stopped out. Took that $11 loss. And then we flipped. We grabbed a call. Let's see where we look at that. Basically, no sooner than we flipped on that one, we grabbed the call. Let's see where we got out of this call at. Right there. So that was a good trade. One contract. Saw the error in our ways. And look at where this thing kind of caught resistance right at the 20. It caught support right at this area that we had marked on the chart. Nice move up. And I got out just as it was breaking VWAP. This thing made this move up. I chased it with my stop. It came back down. I probably got stopped out somewhere around here as it was coming back down. But decent trade right there. Left a little bit of money on the table. Probably could have traded this back up to previous day's low. But that was good. I was happy with that trade. Let's take a look at Microsoft real quick. Microsoft was a good trade. Microsoft was a good trade. And I'm looking over here. Look at this. I actually managed this one decent. Two contracts. First one out right there. Second one out right there. Pretty good. Let's look and see where we were getting in and out of these. Come on over here. Getting in. Actually a little late. I thought I got in more so up here, but I guess I was getting my order together. We see that Microsoft kind of came back, flushed down, pulled back, came down, caught support, back up, and flushed back down, kind of sideways over. My thought was if it broke this area, it was coming all the way back down. Grab two puts right there. Oh no, I am looking at the wrong. That's where I got out of the trade. So I was right. Yep. I got in on that candle. Wow. This candle right here. Can't tell where I got in, but you see right there, two contracts, my two contracts. So I did get in good. Got in right there as it was flushing off of this here. Got out of the first contract right here. Thought being, I was up around $45. So I had two things that I could do. I could take my stop to break even. Or not my stop, I'm sorry. I could take my stop to $20 and lock in the $20. Or I could just sell one of the contracts and take my stop to break even and let that second contract work. Either way, I'm making $20 minimum. So this first one, we got out around 20 bucks. Let's see. We were in at 283. We got out at 305. Yep, that's that $20. And then I let this second one work. Got out of the second one in this candle as it started coming back up. Excellent exit right there. That was a good exit. And then this thing pulled back up. So that was a good trade. This is a pattern that I like seeing. When this broke here is where I actually wanted to be in the trade. That's why I kind of said I kind of chased it a little bit. So if you notice, I'm trying to get in here, kind of chased it. If I was trying to get in there, I kind of thought I had chased it there. So that was the picture I was looking at. But good trade right there. Good trade. But I'm going to show you what got me so flustered with these option contracts. First one is FSLR. And I removed that one, so I didn't want to look at it no more. FSLR. Look at what this thing did at market open. Just ripped. Just ripped. It went from 180 bucks up to 194. $14. $14. Look at the spread right now. The spread is 40 cents. I could not touch that with no 40-cent spread. So this was the first one that I couldn't take a trade on. It gave several opportunities on different time frames to take a trade. But the one that I really want to look at, DLTR, Dollar Tree. Look at this thing. Market opens, wide range, little narrow range. I wish this one would have pushed up to about right there. But you come back and you get this candle that breaks it. And this is money. This candle right there is $1. So let's say $1.10 with an entry at 146.65. Dollar stop. This thing goes $6. This thing goes 6R. And I can't take a trade on it because the spread was ridiculous. Spread is not really showing that bad right here. And actually, this one may have only been around a 15-cent spread. If you really want to know the truth, with me remembering, it probably was about a 15-cent spread. And that was money. That was money. So had I been trading stocks, trading equities, let's say $1, $2 risk, I only need 5 shares. So that's still only like 700 bucks most to take this trade, risking $10. If I was risking 20, I would need 10 shares. It'd be about $1,460 bucks to take the trade. So I still could take that trade even in my cash account. I just had to wait on that money to settle. I'd rather trade it in a PDT account where I don't have to worry about money settling and I could trade every day. So I do believe that I'm going to go back to start trading equities. But that's going to wrap this one up. As always, thanks for checking me out. If you haven't already hit that like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. It doesn't cost you a thing to do either one of those, and you would greatly help me out if you do. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments section. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. It's kind of late. Throat is kind of bothering me, and I'm actually out in the shop running some shirts. So I just snuck in real quick to get this recap done. I got to get right back out there and finish up a couple of orders. So y'all have a great day, and we'll be back at it again tomorrow. Peace.